Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to fix your mouse wheel using an easy method. First, let's address the most common culprit: accumulated dust and debris. Over time, tiny particles can get lodged around the scroll wheel's optical sensor or mechanical encoder, hindering its smooth operation. A quick, targeted cleaning often resolves these issues without needing to open your mouse. This simple step can save you time and frustration, getting your scroll wheel back to perfect working order in just a few moments. Before you begin, ensure your mouse is completely powered off and unplugged from your computer. This prevents accidental inputs and ensures your safety. Hold the can of compressed air upright, maintaining a distance of about 2 inches from the scroll wheel. Deliver short, controlled bursts of air directly into the crevices around the wheel. As you spray, gently rotate the scroll wheel in both directions. This action helps to dislodge any stubborn dust or lint that might be stuck deep inside, ensuring a thorough cleaning. Once you've completed the initial cleaning, reconnect your mouse to your computer. Open a document or web page and test the scroll wheel's functionality. Observe if the scrolling is now smooth, consistent, and responsive to your inputs. If the problem isn't fully resolved, don't worry. Simply repeat the compressed air cleaning process. For any visible grime or sticky residue, a dry cotton swab can be gently used to wipe the wheel's surface, providing an extra layer of cleanliness. This easy cleaning method effectively resolves the vast majority of common mouse wheel problems caused by dirt and dust. However, if your scroll wheel continues to malfunction after several cleaning attempts, it might suggest a more significant internal hardware issue. In such cases, the internal components like the encoder could be worn out or damaged. At this point, you might consider seeking professional repair or, more commonly, replacing the mouse entirely. Many new mice are available for under $25, offering great performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.